Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can make money using your phone. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the usual algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for your videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Today's video is a different one because I responded to most of y'all's requests, which is finding legit sites for making money from your phone, answering studies or surveys. I have spent more than a week researching and testing, and I can tell you I found about 19 websites that only need your phone, no experience, and today I'll be sharing 6 with you and the rest in the upcoming videos. Number 1, printable. This company has been around since 2007 and they've paid over $20 million in rewards. With this website, you get paid for answering studies, downloading, playing and testing games. For some games you get paid instantly after downloading, but some you have to play to a certain level before getting any rewards. You can also make money on the platform by watching videos. After every 3 videos you get rewards. The videos have ads like here on YouTube. And lastly, you can make money by partaking in their daily challenges. If you win, you get paid. The site pays via PayPal and you need to accumulate at least $5 before requesting a payment, or $2 if you want to get paid via Amazon gift cards. $5 is like 500 points, which may sound like a lot, but these questions are not hard, so if you do have time, you can accumulate those points quite easily. Online studies or surveys are not real jobs in a sense that you are not really performing a meaningful task. So for that reason, I would like to share what I like about each site and what I don't like, basically the pros and cons, and you can decide if you want to try them or not. Let's start with the pros. Low payouts threshold. I hate sites that require you to work forever before you can cash out. Surveys pay cents to $1, so it may take a while to actually cash out, but with this website, they only require you to reach $5. $5 won't change your life, but I think it's nice to see the money accumulating on your PayPal account than the online platform. It just feels better. Secondly, it's free. You should never ever pay for a job or to make money online. And thirdly, you can get paid in cash. Some survey sites only pay you in gift cards or crypto, but some people or most people prefer to get paid in cash, myself included. So I like the fact that they have this option. And lastly, they have really good customer service. You can reach out to them if you have any problem and they will reply within 1 to 2 days. Now the cons. There's a number of limited opportunities, so you won't always find studies when you log in. Secondly, like any other survey site, you will be disqualified for some surveys without a reason, even if you answered truthfully. It has nothing to do with you, but it just means that your profile is not a good match for the study. Number 2, Univox community. Univox is hiring in more than 35 countries worldwide, and they pay you for your opinion. Upon signing up, you get an instant $2 joining bonus, which you can't withdraw obviously. And every time you do a survey, you get points which can be converted to cash. As a basic member, you can request a payout once you reach $25, which is 2,500 points. But the higher you go, the better, because your payout threshold reduces to $10 instead of $25. One important thing about this website, filling the application form is not enough. You also have to apply for approval, because without this step, you cannot get paid. You don't have to immediately do it. You can work without being approved. But the problem is it takes about 2 weeks to be approved. So if you reach a threshold and you want to take out your money, you'll have to wait about 2 weeks and then you can request taking the money. So rather do it right away. You must also bear in mind that the points you earn from these websites can expire if you do not cash out. The company has 4 levels: basic, verified, premium, and ambassador. If you're active enough on the platform, you'll climb faster, and high levels mean low payout threshold and high paying studies. The pros: you get paid for trying. If you attempt a survey and you do not qualify for whatever reason, they still pay you a couple of cents in dollars for trying, and eventually you can be able to withdraw this money or to cash out. But of course, it will take forever if you're only relying on this, so don't give out wrong answers on purpose. Secondly, they have more surveys available than the first site. And the cons, I didn't like how confusing the site is, but if you take your time, you will understand. Number 3, Soluna influencers. Soluna influencers is recruiting in 60 countries worldwide. When you join, you have to fill out a profile survey, which will help you get matched with more surveys. Most companies or most sites send you an email each time there is a new survey, but with this website, you may have to log in regularly to check if there are any new surveys, because every time I received an email, the study was already gone. The payout threshold depends on the country you're in, and it ranges between $7 to $10. After I've requested the payment, it takes about 2 to 6 weeks, usually 2 weeks for PayPal and longer for other methods. methods. What I like about this website is available in a lot of countries, especially African countries, because we are always singled out by other companies. They also have relatively good amount of surveys available. The cons, their customer service, they are a bit slow. I don't know if maybe they receive a lot of questions or what. Number 4, survey time. This is by far my favorite website for one reason. You get paid $1 for every survey. I like rounded numbers because some sites you get paid like cents to $1, but this website pays you $1 for every survey. It's straightforward, very easy to navigate, and you get an email with a weird password which you have to copy and then you have to like confirm. What I didn't like about this website, when you're completing the profile survey, they ask you like the same questions. I'm not sure if they're checking the consistency of your answers, so be careful and make sure that you are consistent with your answers. But other than that, everything was perfect. You find surveys under members area, and if you attempt a survey and you don't qualify, the system will scan again and you'll see more surveys. Number 5, myo.com. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced. This is a German website that has existed for over 10 years, and every time you do a survey or you refer a friend, you get points which you can convert to cash. So there is more than one way to earn money on this website. You can earn by doing surveys or inviting friends, but of course a more reliable way is actually to do the surveys. You get paid €1 for every 1,000 points, and you can cash out once you reach 20 euros. I know you're probably thinking that's too much, but it can be done, especially if you do have time. Unfortunately, there's nothing like free money or easy money. If it doesn't require you to use your brain or to solve real problems or use your skills or experience or your degree, you're gonna have to use your time, and in this case you are trading your time for money. Whether it's worth it or not, that's debatable. The company also has a PayPal option, but if you're from South Africa or Turkey, you can request direct payments. I wouldn't recommend that. There's nothing wrong with it. I just prefer PayPal because it's safe and you don't have to give too much of your details. The pros, high rewards. 20 euros is about 350 rands, which can be a lot for some people, but the cons, this means you have to work really hard to reach that amount. Number 6, Surveyor. This is an Italian company that was established in 2014. They offer surveys in multiple languages in many countries. Each survey takes about 10 minutes or less, and they pay via PayPal, MoneyGram, Skrill or Western Union. You have to reach at least $10 before you can request a payout. The pros, good customer service, and I like the variety in payout methods. The cons, there is nothing really that I didn't like about this website. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions regarding this website or any question in general, comment down below. I'm going to try to reply as soon as I can.